Hey guys, this is Vignesh from Phone Arena and we are here in Paris to cover the launch of Huawei's latest flagship P20 and P20 Pro. The newly announced Huawei P20 starts from where the P10 left off last year and improves it in pretty much every aspect. It is interesting to see Huawei launching the smartphone in a standalone event rather than doing along with everyone else. The P20 looks like a thoughtfully designed and a perfectly executed flagship. Talking about the design, it features an all-glass panel that's curved on all four sides. The twilight color has its own charm, I would say. The phone have bezel-less display with an aspect ratio of 18:9. Moreover, it features a fingerprint sensor that sits at the bottom of the display, which is now part of the multifunctional home key. The Huawei P20 features a 5.8-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 2240 x 1080 pixels. It is powered by octa-core high-silicon Kirin 970 10nm chipset with i7 core processor dedicated neural network processing unit. It is shipped with Android 8.1 Oreo with Emotion UI 8.1 on top as well as support for Google AR Core. It has a Leica dual lens camera with 12MP RGB lens, 20MP monochrome sensor and 2x hybrid zoom, dual-tone LED flash and an optical image stabilization and Huawei's own dual ISP. It also has a 24MP front-facing camera with the AI beautification, 3D portrait lighting and support for face unlock. It also has an AI image stabilization that allows you to capture incredible blur-free handheld shots in low light using night mode. The P20 is powered by 3400 mAh battery with the fast charging technology. The Huawei P20 comes in black, champagne gold, twilight, pink gold and midnight blue colors and is priced at €649, which is approximately 52,241 and will roll out starting today. It is expected to launch in India in the future, but no details about the exact time frame yet. In addition to that of a new design and the varieties of paint jobs and finishes, we got a device that is surely worth checking out from Huawei. This is it guys for the first impression. Do hit the like button, share and subscribe.